Alright, I'm gonna work a little bit on my brother's S2000. We're pulling the injectors out because he wanted to get them clean. Probably bring it over to Victory Motorsports. They did my injectors and they did a really good job. So my brother's gonna do the same. So far we've unplugged all the injectors. He's got the main hose to the fuel rail unplugged. I guess he's just trying to make some room. But yeah, so that's currently where we're at right now. We should have the fuel rail and the fuel injectors out fairly quick. And just as soon as I stopped recording, he pulls out everything. So let's see how they look like. Any bad?
Ooh, that's dirty.
Normal wear, I suppose. Like most cars, the injectors are actually just kind of held in by clips. So if you just kind of like push it on both sides, you can get it out. Are you gonna dump the fuel out? Okay. Gonna put back his OE hardtop.